Manage and organize data like never before. AI makes it fast, easy, and powerful. Get started with Artavolo in just a few minutes by watching this video. Set up a workspace and database. Add information, visualize information, and share with collaborators. Let's start by setting up your workspace, a place to organize, collaborate, and manage your data. Inside a workspace, you can create multiple databases to keep everything structured. Click Add a Base to start. You can pick a template or create a database from scratch. Now you've got your database. Let's add information to it. When you create a database from scratch in Artavolo, a table is added by default to help you start organizing your information right away. You can easily rename this table to match the purpose of your data. For example, tasks, leads, inventory, or anything else that fits your project. Tables are made up of fields which appear as columns. Each field represents a specific type of information you want to store, like a task name, due date, status, priority level, or assigned team member. Fields can be customized to a wide variety of data types, including text, numbers, checkboxes, drop-down lists, dates, file uploads, tags, rich text, and even AI-powered fields that can generate or summarize content for you. This flexibility allows you to model any kind of workflow, from project management to CRM, from content calendars to bug tracking. Every row you add becomes a structured record, and the fields ensure consistency across your data. You can add as many fields as you need. For the purposes of our table, we will first add a deadline field to track when tasks or items need to be completed. This field will allow us to set specific dates, helping us stay organized and meet important milestones. Once the deadline field is added, we'll fill the cells with relevant dates for each record to keep everything on schedule. We fill in the deadline dates for all records. You'll see visual indicators next to each date showing how much time is left. Green for plenty of time, yellow for upcoming, and red for overdue. These cues help you quickly spot urgent tasks and stay on track. Everything on schedule. Next, we will add a priority field to help categorize tasks by their urgency or importance. This field can be set up as a drop-down or a select list, allowing you to label items as high, medium, or low priority so the team can focus on what matters most. Finally, we'll add a collaborator field. This lets you assign tasks or responsibilities to specific team members, making collaboration and accountability much clearer. The collaborator field typically links to user profiles, so everyone knows who is responsible for each item at a glance. Now, let's add another table called Goals to your Workspace. This table will help you track specific objectives related to your projects. Once the goals table is created, we'll fill it with relevant data to define your key targets. Next, we'll create a dynamic relationship between the tables by linking them together. This powerful feature allows you to connect related information across your database, making it easier to see how individual projects align with their goals. Specifically, we will link each row from the projects table to a corresponding row in the goals table. This creates a meaningful connection, so you can view all goals associated with a project directly within the project record. To establish this connection, we will use the link to a table field type. This field lets you select entries from another table, enabling seamless integration and data relationships without complex setup. By linking tables this way, your database becomes more flexible and insightful. You can filter, sort, group, and conditionally format your data to organize and highlight what's important. Hide columns to keep your view clean. Expand rows to see activity details, and add comments for easy team collaboration, all within your workspace. You can visualize your data through multiple views, selecting the one that best aligns with your workflow. Artavolo allows you to create unlimited custom views, including table, card, calendar, and Kanban formats, providing flexibility to manage your information effectively. You can now invite your team to collaborate or share a link to your workspace, making teamwork seamless. You can invite team members via email or by sharing a link and set up permissions to control who can view or edit your workspace. Congratulations! Your Artavolo workspace is now successfully set up. You're ready to begin organizing and managing your data with clarity and confidence.